Where is this? Where you tell me this? No Pieta. You not see for here this morning. Why not come meet me? I'm here bright this thing. No Pieta now. I want it for this out. Once I want it for this out. It's what they use, and that long way get long mat, they use. I know I call you sell this one. I don't know. I want it really. I want it to get this out. That long we get long man. They go knock out. Go knock the house. Go put it up for. Try to pack one by one. Kabaka about to discuss some things with us. Let's take it here. Next time. Yeah, that. My brothers and sisters, my supporters, my sympathizers, I use this medium to come out and say thank you for the support you gave to me, for how you pleaded on my behalf. But it's so unfortunate that this governor still went ahead and destroyed my hotel. Well, doing that will not make me to come and say now I will support you, I will be afraid. I was born and brought up in Benin, and I'm a prince. So there's no way I will run away from my land. But Obaseki went as far as destroy my property because of election. He has not contributed one thing to my life. He has not had buy me one pure water one day. Today, what I've achieved in my life, he went there and destroyed. Well, I thank God. May God bless him. May God continue to help him. Since he said this is the only way we can dialogue, this is the only way he can oppress us to come and join him. Well, for me, he has done more than his words. He cannot do more than this. He can, if it's God that created my life, he will take my life. If it's not the God, he can't take my life. Well, all the people that is supporting, clamoring for him, that Kabaka Hotel be destroyed. Well, that won't take nothing from me. But you, that is happy that Kabaka Hotel is destroyed, your own days are numbered. Your own days, your time will also come when same thing will happen to you. Your own time will come when same thing will happen to you. First to do, you know the pain. Well, my brothers and sisters, my brothers in diaspora, my Niger debtors and vengeance, I want to tell you, let everybody remain calm. The days are numbered. 100 years is not forever. But what happened to me, some people are happy, while some people are not happy. Well, if it's a good thing, a good turn deserves another. This is not the way we play politics. Since this is the way he said he want to pay us, it's all good. After our labor for years, after my labor for years, I've not held a political appointment before. All the days of my life, after working for government, they will give us board or recognize us with one thing. So since he said he's demolishing, he's destroying, in all the days of my life in politics, I've never seen them using dynamite in election. This Obaseki regime introduced dynamite. And you know, kidnapper came to Benin, he didn't go, because Benin, we don't pray that anything evil to come to Benin. Once they embrace it, it is difficult for them to leave it. Kidnapper came to Nigeria, Edo was etc. Armed robbery came to Nigeria, Edo was etc. Courtesan came to Nigeria, Edo State is etc. Now the governor has introduced bombing. So thank you for that. We are watching. Let's see what God does for us. Thank you, my viewers. Let me tell you once again, we are in court. I see surprised that this governor violated the court order. On Friday is supposed to be our judgment. This very Friday. This man violated the court order. He went up beyond the court and go and destroy my property. Well, it's all good. Thank God they sell their property. So, with time, after you leave the office, after the reggae will play the blues. You cannot force me to come and work for you. If you like, go and do anything. Obaseki, you will not get my vote. You will not get my support. If you like, do anything. I was born and brought up in Benin. You can't drive me away from my land to start with. So the police, the security agency that accompany you there to go and destroy my property, well, it's all good. I thank God. Wabaziga and policemen are not made to do this. But I'm surprised. Police that Boko Haram is killing our people, they didn't go for Boko Haram. The police that were in my compound today is more than 150. And civil defense. So why are we going to war? You have never gotten to this. So if you know it's above this, no problem. Everything has its time and season. Thank you. God bless you.
Thank you very much. But okay, we have some picture of the police here that went there. You know, these are some of the police officers that went there. There were more than over 200 policemen. We had civil defense and so many other security agents that was brought there just to destroy one mass property. One mass property. For what reason we do not know. Because of the fact that he's opposing the second term of Godwin Obaseki, which is a fundamental human right that exists in Nigeria. Is it that Governor Obaseki wants everybody to keep quiet, not to talk on the oppression and thuggery activities that is ongoing in Edo State? Well, we leave the rest for Edo State, for Edo people to decide. Thank you very much and God bless. Please share this broadcast. Share this broadcast as it's very important for Edo people to know what is happening. And Nigerians, let them know what is happening in Edo State, how the tyrant governor is oppressing everybody because they have come out to say they do not support second term. You know, we as people of Edo State, we need to uphold our fundamental human rights no matter who is who. So please share this video wide, share it far and wide, so the government will understand and get the message of Comrade Tony Kabaka. God bless you all. Thank you.
Èmi ànyùnú ara gbọ́nà rọ́pà náà máa èmi ẹ̀dẹ́. Èmi nú máa èmi ẹ̀ ò máa èkí á ṣe wá. Mẹ́rin tú o, mẹ́rin bí ẹ̀ o. Ẹ má tanná o yí sàmẹ̀ nira. Èso bìèbí o, èso bìèbí bàtà. Àgbọ̀nyàgbè pa kíkè ní búgbé sábìtò. Mẹ́rin mẹ́ o, ọ̀rọ̀ mẹ́nà yá dá mẹ́. Ẹmẹ ò bọ́ọ̀rì kátàpìrí mẹ́ ó wẹ̀ ọ̀wédè tìyẹn mọ̀ wẹ̀ kẹkàn tìyẹn rà tìrì ra yíó wẹ̀nà mẹ́ ó wẹ̀ wẹ̀rà bí ebi bàtà mẹ́yìn tú o mẹ́yìn viẹ́ o èmi ragbọ́nà rọ́pà èèbà pòpè gbé yìí èmi ọ̀nyúnú ragbọ́nà rọ́pà nà máa èmi ẹ̀dẹ́ èmi nú máa èmi ẹ̀ ò máa èkí ọ̀sẹ̀ wá. May too, may bien, if you do Benin, the Benin Airlines, thank you everybody for your support. I've suffered in this life. God knows I've suffered, I've labored, and God did not neglect me, He blessed me. But somebody came out and said, no, the blessings of God will not shower on me. So shall it be to him and his family.
Amen.
It's not a do or die affair.
At all.
I will tell most especially my Niger Delta Avengers to please remain calm. Let's watch the outcome. I want to tell my Benin people in diaspora that were soliciting for me, all the men and women, may God bless you all. May I thank God that I'm still alive to witness it, because we were the ones that support this government to emerge. When some people were telling us, no, we use all means to make sure we sell the unwrapped mango. After selling the unwrapped mango, this is the payback. We thank God. Well, everything have its time and season. We leave the rest for God. God, I thank you for your glorious life. One love. Real, that